Okay, I was about to say, you gonna start it?
Yeah, it's going. Game looks pretty.
Yes, machine. What were you playing earlier that I heard you go, ah, screw off?
I have no idea. It's probably music.
Yeah. The origins of the zombies in this
Okay, wait, wait, wait,
universe
wait,
is
wait,
quite
wait, 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 wait,
wacky.
wait. Shut up. Eliminate zombies to earn resources. Zombies increase in difficulty as the rounds go up. Use collected resources to increase your arsenal at the pack. Use collected resources, pack a punch, arsenal, and crafting table. No, I mean, I don't have time for a crafting table. Starting at the end of round 10 and every 5 rounds after, exfil can be attempted to escape. Earn bonuses. Okay. I haven't played zombies since Black Ops 2, so
Yeah.
this shall be interesting. Alright, sorry I got loud.
Requiem actual strike team is on the ground.
Yeah.
Looks like I'm in full.
Welcome to Alpha Site, strike team.
What's
get
up,
to work.
boy?
These guys have a. How do I melee? Okay.
Health bars? Oh wait, no. That's right. I was about to say, you press right stick, but... Yeah, no.
Alright, so forgive me if I don't understand what I'm doing for a sec.
Wait, you don't...
Here we are.
Been a bit?
Round zero. Dimensional
Yeah,
gates
that,
opening
and I've
around
never
the
played
world.
this.
Should have known it would come back to some evil Nazi experiment gone wrong.
Oh god. What am I
Wouldn't be the
doing?
first
Alright,
time, would it, Major Carver?
we can unlock
Team,
entrances, by
facility
the way.
entrance should be just
Nice.
ahead.
Where is my...
I don't have enough thingies for that.
Frag that bag of guts.
I don't know what I just picked up. My money's at the bottom there? Okay.
On the bottom left? Yeah. Headshots do kill them faster.
Yep.
Also, from what I've learned playing this on my own, it is not a good idea to stay in one place forever.
Yes, I agree. That
You
I
gotta keep
remember.
moving around.
That I do remember.
Oh god, please don't do this to me. Okay. So, that white indicator, by the way, that's our objective.
White indicator? What? Where?
Do you see where it says facility?
Facility. That's our objective? What do you mean that's our objective?
We have to get over to that place while surviving rounds. We have an objective to do during rounds.
Oh, okay. It's not just surviving.
Nope.
Okay.
Ooh, insta kill?
You grab that now, boy. You gotta wait until the enemies start coming up.
No, the enemies drop special abilities that you can use on them.
Yeah, but did you pick it up?
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta wait till they start coming.
Oh. True. Thought you were saying that because I pulled it out too late.
No. You wanna start heading over there, or?
Yeah, we will. Alright. We gotta create barriers for ourselves here to get through, which cause monies, of course.
Create barriers? Or break barriers?
Break, like, certain barriers.
Yeah, blow them up, yeah.
Alright.
Intel?
Alright, upstairs.
Strike team. Weaver here.
Uh-oh.
I understand it's been a lot to take in. Interdimensional creatures all over the world. Infection transforming
What difficulty is this on?
I don't know if there is one.
Well, if there isn't, then I will... Well, you should know. I would think. Rounds are gonna get harder and harder.
Yes.
MP5 level 2.
Ready to check.
Alright. Open this up. There we go.
Oh, there's a max ammo over here, Danny. Reload your gun.
Max ammo?
Yep.
Alright.
Reload your gun. Hey! What the fuck?
It was already reloaded. Oh.
Well, tell me! I was gonna pick it up! You fucking... What am I,
You
too
said
stupid?
reload,
I
I
couldn't
thought
pick it
you were-
up? I don't know how to pick it up, Danny?
You could get ammo here. You could get ammo right here.
Oh my god. Getting Juggernaut.
Nice.
Do we have a health bar?
Yeah, bottom left.
Bottom left, 200. Okay.
Yeah,
Why
that
the-
drink gives you more health.
Yes, it does.
Part of me wants to turn off vibration.
You mean the
Controller, yes, John.
Oh. No, I meant the recoil.
Oh.
Ah!
Yep, that's a special ability.
Yeah.
Whoa. Alright, hold on.
How do I make it so that my game doesn't look like doo-doo? No.
Alright, there we go.
Apply! Looks better, I guess.
Okay.
Oh, this is the, yeah, it's the random weapon box here.
Really? Where are
Yep.
you?
Nope!
I want to kiss you, John.
Yeah, I'm just trying to live. Trying to survive.
This ain't Dead Rising.
True.
The freaking lore for how the zombies came to be is pretty crazy
Oh yeah, I bet.
in this universe. I mean, obviously, there's several different incarnations.
Hobby.
C4 charge armed.
Damn it, Bobby.
Oh, double.
Thank you, John.
Yep.
I need a shotgun. This gun ain't doing it for me.
What gun did I pick up? I can't tell what kind of ammo it uses.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, woo. That sounded a lot like someone was unzipping their pants.
Yeah, where are you here? Do you have points to unlock this?
Do I have... do I?
It's how much is it? 1,000. There you go. Okay. Alright, let's not go down there yet, though.
Alright. Scratch my head!
No, scratching my head.
Enemy deleted.
Making fun of me, Dan?
Replicating.
Times 2.
Both of us.
I don't have any. C4. Ah, shit!
You and I both went on this plane.
Yes.
Shoot.
Dropped them.
Alright. If there's one more zombie left, don't kill him yet.
Yeah, I got you. Just like old times. That's the last zombie, Dan. Oh, no, that's not the last zombie.
Okay.
Close to it, though. What the fuck is... Oh. I guess I'll let them chase me.
Yeah, you do that.
I
As
mean,
they're
what do
coming after me.
Oh. Son of a bitch.
Okay. I'll use
Alright,
it.
cuz. Follow me. Wherever you're at.
Hold on, I'm gonna vie for a new weapon now.
Okay, let me distract him, I guess.
Oh, gross.
This will make them keep the distance.
Alright, well, what are we doing?
Oh shoot, okay. Alright, follow me to the cave.
Alright.
Hey, eyes open. Sigan didn't suggest anyone else at the site.
Power?
Omega Group equipment everywhere, walking cadavers all over.
Alright,
the
gotta
site. Don't
open
even
these
imagine people to know
ways
we're
here.
in bad
Both of
shit here.
The Nazis lost
We
control
can,
of the experiment
but it
in
definitely will be
45.
important later.
The
Ow.
Soviets really think they do better.
Alright, I'm behind you. I opened up
Okay.
this other door.
Thank you. Okay.
I'm running over to you, buddy.
Okay. There you are. Can we open this? Nope, we cannot open this.
I opened it.
Oh, okay. And to the power.
I can hardly see a gosh darn thing. I'm gonna have to turn off my light. Or turn on my HDR.
Yeah, I was gonna say, don't you have it on? Alright, turn on power.
What the hell is this? Elemental pop? Make bullets.
Warning. Energy stabilization required.
Now we gotta turn on the terminals here.
Energy stabilization at 50%.
Yeah. Alright, and there's another one over here.
Stabilization restored.
Alright, let's just walk around kiting a zombie.
Okay.
See what happens, what our next
Fair
goal
to
is.
say that's what Omega Group was investigating.
Son of a bitch. It looks just like the others we've seen. The Germans must have breached it during the war. They were desperate at the end.
Oh.
Okay, do we do something here? Enter the dark
Hey,
aether.
oh, look up!
Oh shoot!
Dead enemy KIA.
Enter the dark either. Okay, here we go.
Is it taking us?
I turned off my light.
Okay, there we go. Had to kill that last zombie.
What the fuck is this?
We have to go up, I guess.
Another tunnel.
Fetch me their souls.
Oh, the dogs? Is that what that is?
Oh shoot! Okay, we gotta get out of here.
Oh,
You behind
buddy.
me?
I'm about to be.
Alright.
Alright,
Yeah.
I'm behind you.
Alright, up here. Oh shoot! Ah. Need my shotgun for this. Alright, up here.
I'm trying to shoot them so they don't
Follow.
become, well, so they don't become
Oh,
tanks,
shoot.
probably.
Okay, yeah. See what you mean.
Oh, they drop poison gas or something?
Yep.
Okay.
There's also hellhounds I've seen that blow up like creepers do.
Oh, max ammo, dang it!
Max ammo, I think. Okay, Aether Tunnel, right here. Look at this world. That's how crazy it is.
Yeah, give me a sec. I don't want to get rid of this fucking grenade launcher. Ugh. Go, 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 go! Oh, this is a shotgun?
That looks
Yeah, sure.
interesting.
I'll take this anyway.
I think I'll take this.
Alright, what are we doing, Danny?
Into the Aether Tunnel, hopefully.
Tank them.
Oh shoot, okay, wait, let's just kill all these guys before we go in.
Alright. Oh, when
Save
you kill
one if we can.
when you kill them, they fly upwards.
Interesting.
Another max ammo. Okay.
Oh, it does it for all of us, I think.
Yep.
And you were complaining over nothing.
Well, no, because well, you picked it up as if I didn't know that I could pick it up. What the fuck is going on here?
Let's go where that
Oh, it's taking us back.
Alright. Did we not get there in time, or what happened?
I don't know.
Established. Thought we lost you there. What happened?
I guess
Where
it was
did they go?
scripted.
If I'm reading this right, I think Strike Team crossed the threshold into another dimension.
Decoy. Alright, is there one more zombie left?
Not really sure what I'm picking up here. I wouldn't doubt it.
If there is, let's not kill him yet.
Okay.
We can upgrade our weapons. We're gonna need it, definitely.
Alright, how do we upgrade our weapons?
Alright, follow me. We go this way. Since we established power to this place, the door that leads back to the beginning here is opened.
To the bedroom. Stamina.
Right here. Okay. And then we go downstairs here.
Whoa, 1,000,000 miles an hour. Damn, I can't see a damn thing. I turned off my light so I could see better, but now I feel like I need them on.
Yeah. Okay. How did You go look in the crafting table. I'll distract this guy.
Build equipment. Stimulant that initiates healing immediately.
Oh, there's two guys.
Lethal? What the
Yeah, the zombies universe in Call of Duty has gotten pretty wacky.
350. Is that how much I have? How much Nope, not what I wanted. Hey, whatever, man. Okay.
You can't upgrade anything?
Can I upgrade my... No, I can't upgrade my weapon here, can I? No. Okay. No, I've done what I wanted.
Alright, can you distract them for me so I can upgrade?
Sure. How do I, okay. Yep. Oh.
Ow, ow.
And you regenerate that health, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, craft. Lethal... Okay. Now I just purchase a frag, that's fine. I don't think I can upgrade per se.
Oh, one of them spawned you, Danny, I'm sorry!
Alright, let's just go. Let's kill them.
Stroke camo?
Retrieve machine part. Wait. Oh, we gotta go back. Okay. Alright, follow me. Oh shoot, we didn't open this yet. God damn it.
Well, we can open it.
Oh, you can?
Yeah. Oh, no, I don't have the money. My bad.
Alright, follow me, follow me. Oh shoot, we gotta get out of here.
Yeah, I think we fucked up.
Let's get out of here. Oh god. Oh shoot, John!
Left and right.
Yeah, not good.
Bam, 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 bam. Don't worry about me. Just kill them until they're all down. Or until there's one left, maybe. Oh shoot, I ran out of ammo for these guns? Okay. Nice.
Threat clear.
If I die, it's fine. I think they'll respawn me for the next round.
Okay. Get the fuck out of there now.
Yeah, you do that.
Raptor 1 has an exfil window open.
Fuck, you
Strike
died.
team.
No, you should have
All enemies
waited.
need to bug out.
I didn't realize how many more there were.
Okay, I wonder, what does going to the helicopter do? Let's go over here real quick.
I'm sure you get bonus points just for getting out alive.
Which is something I kinda would like to do.
Oh, that's my health. Oh, okay. I only have 2 more. Oh, the start.
Alright, let's do this.
Frag that bag of guts.
You need to accept it too.
F6? I'm not gonna be able to hit that button. Are you kidding me? I'm not good. Oh, this is not good. This is not good. Oh boy. Danny.
Throwing grenade.
Well,
Yep.
I'm not wasting any shots here. Throwing grenade.
Bonus points.
that's not good.
Oh, I can melee. Yeah. Alright, you
That's
have
not
fun,
good.
Johnny.
Yep. What? What?
Yep.
My good guns are good garbage.
Indeed they are. Alright, go up the stairs.
Oh, what? Now he tells me.
Oh. I couldn't know where you were without
Captain's
me
orders.
still dying.
Hey. That felt pretty
Look
good.
at all that ammo.
Is that what that is? Okay.
Well, I think it is. Or just supplies.
Do you mind if I go get another weapon? Because this is
Sure.
Exfil no longer available.
Hey, it's
I'll
your,
notify you when Raptor
your
1's
body,
back
your
in range.
choice.
Bogus. I don't know where the box is. I don't know this game at all.
It's out there.
There it is. Man, I wish I knew that that was a shotgun that I had gotten rid of.
Yeah.
Well, when I used to play it with a teddy bear.
Maybe it's a bomb. I don't know.
Any indication as to where it is now? Unless I have to.
Oh, you can go down there, by the way.
Go down where?
Hold on. Turn back around. And go that way? No, no, no. That way, yeah. To the left, right there.
To the left.
See?
Okay.
Alright. Is it time to eat yet? Alright.
Alright, whatever.
Just some more space for you to, thrive in.
Yeah.
Alright, I need my shotgun.
Where is this box? Oh, there it is. Oh, sick. How do I get in there? How do I get in there?
Where's the box? Oh, it disappeared. Okay.
I don't know how to get down there. Oh, shit, maybe it's up here. It is not up here.
Plant explosive. Assault rifle. M16.
Stamina up is working wonders. So I need to go downstairs. There you are.
Go away from me.
That's a dog.
The like toxic waste dogs, yeah.
Yeah, I heard the whole time. Sick.
This guy means business.
Oh shit. That's not good.
No siree, Bob.
This RPD has a very small magazine. Oh shit.
Feels like I'm shooting a pea shooter with this thing. Oh god.
Right down.
Can't be done that. Alright, Danny, I'm bringing them over to you.
Nuke bomb!
You can do that too.
Okay.
I'm hitting up the box again.
That killed them all though? I don't think so.
Really don't want to.
Oh, there's the mystery box.
Oh,
you're downstairs for it?
I can do with this.
Oh, what the no! Oh
I'm
my
not winning a
gosh!
fucking trophy with this.
What?
They gave me a silenced. Was this the 50 cal?
Oh god. Here it comes. Wait, I wanna get something.
Alright, go ahead. Now's the time.
Sure, I
Gotta
guess.
get out of here.
Yep. Get out of my way, please. Oh, come on! Just like Dark Souls, they use your body to get in your way.
Oop.
You can come resurrect me.
Oh, I'm allowed to? Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just like Left 4 Dead.
True.
Alright.
Alright, don't kill him yet.
Okay.
Actually, no.
Oh boy.
Let's get this mission done. Cutting it over close there.
Thanks, Doc.
All these garbage ass weapons. No! Come on!
I opened an exit or something up here.
What the hell is this? Is this the dogs again?
I don't know. This leads out to here.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Fetch me their souls. Oh, what's out here? There's a
What the? Ow.
quick revive, I think.
Oh, the box is out here.
Yeah. Oh, is it? Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Sick.
I'm almost dead.
Nice. God! I'm in! Ah!
Why is it just dogs? Come on.
Why is it just snipers?
Maybe because it likes, it knows you like range weapons. I don't know.
Gotta put this gun to work.
385, 495. Okay, I think these are two different. I got quicker back
Okay.
too. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, we gotta wait again for if there's one more zombie to continue our objective here. I'll take this.
He's looking up.
Picking up an unidentified hostile approaching your
What the fuck is that? What the?
I think we got a special zombie of sorts.
It looks like it. We
They
can't be
said an
backing
anomaly
up.
was coming.
Yeah, we can't be backing up into this.
Alright, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. What the hell?
True.
Oh shoot.
My poor frame rate!
It's like a little mini boss.
Seems like it.
Oh god, please! No! Ugh.
Man. Ah, shit.
Save the boss for last if you can.
Save the boss for last? Okay. Why, is there anything
Yeah, sure.
special about that?
No, but like, just save him as the last threat. That way it's not so much of a complication, I would think.
Okay. What is that over
Come
there?
on.
Okay.
I wonder, do I drop?
Want me to pick you up?
Sure. If you can, I'm gonna die really soon, so
Shit, yeah, you're right. I'm sorry.
that's fine. Carry on, Johnny. Did he drop a nuclear bomb?
No, it was, max ammo, which I would probably take advantage of.
Holy shit.
He didn't stand
Holy
a
smokes.
Quit farting on me, jeez.
Now you know how it feels.
Danny, I've known how it felt since you were a baby.
Since what?
Since you were a baby.
Oh yeah, that's right. That's right.
That sounds so weird out of context.
Oh no.
Oh, you're back. How'd you get back?
The zombie guy is still alive here.
Oh yeah, I killed the zombies, but if you don't kill the bots, it brings you back.
Still
in.
starts the next round.
Alright, he's dead.
Nice.
Split that bastard in two. Now
Oh,
finish the
now he's a
job.
bomber. Oh, Dad!
Uh-oh, John.
I'm gonna die.
Oh no, John.
Yeah,
Don't do
yeah.
this to me.
I'm just getting out of here. We should hit up that exfiltration sometime soon, huh?
Yeah, we do. Please give me the shotgun. Save the last zombie.
What in the hell is coming off that tree? Looks
Oh,
like it could
God.
be the balls of a bloodhound.
What, is something coming out?
Probably. Oh, what is that? Holy shit!
Oh. It's another special zombie.
Give me the weapon! No! Ah! I don't know what I missed, but it was purple, so I think that means it's really good.
Yeah. Ow.
Shit.
Whatever spawn is attacking me.
Max ammo, Danny.
Thank you.
Oh my god.
Oh shoot. I need to buy some healing items. I got a pack of them behind me, John.
Nice.
If we end up failing, I need to go eat.
That's quite alright, buddy. What the fucking
Oh
shit?
god! Oh shit. Oh my god.
Headshots rock.
Why do I have such low ammo on these pistols?
Oh fuck, I'm dead. What?
Oh no. Got full health.
I think I'm gonna pick you up, buddy.
Oh, you
yeah.
better hurry, I'm about to die!
Yeah, that's fine.
Make them pay.
Okay, ooh, thank you.
God, can I just get like a good weapon one of these days? Was that a Moinzing man? Whatever it's called?
Oh, get off me.
Oh no, that's a good.
You're welcome. Kill that boss.
Trying to. Is that an extraction window? Oh shit, that means
Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Come on, John.
oh shit.
Come on, John. Get over here.
I'm good! This is fun. I know from what I remember, the older Black Ops were very
Alright.
brutal.
Hold it down, John.
F6! I don't have a... What? I gotta look at my keyboard! Oh my god.
Alright, it's coming though.
Oh, what?
So don't worry.
Raptor 1 en route to Alpha Site.
What
shoot.
a button, dude. F6.
Alright, where the hell is the helicopter though? Oh, it's over there? Okay, follow me, John.
Hostile frag.
Oh, fucking shit.
Leave me, John.
One of them's got armor?
Raptor 1 has reached Alpha Site.
Uh-oh.
Let's up.
Uh-oh.
Beats have identified our location.
Pull it together.
Let's go.
Right team, we can't play it until you clear the LZ.
Oh
That's
my
fine.
god, we gotta kill all these zombies?
Do it?
Yeah. I don't even think we're gonna have the time to. Okay.
Alright. I think, okay.
Missile
You're
launch
down.
on the 30 strike team.
Alright, I'm coming to your location.
Alrighty.
Oh boy.
Yeah, they're
Oh,
all
boy.
coming through there too.
Ah!
15 seconds.
Yeah, we're dead.
What, we can't, we have to have them dead by a certain
Yeah.
point? Oh.
We have to have them all, enough of them dead so we can extract.
Oh, and if we don't,
Alright.
we...
Mayday, mayday.
What the? Who shot that? The zombie?
The Soviets.
This... What the fuck? Alright. 4
Yep.
reloads.
Revise 4.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna go eat.
Alright, buddy.